Hello, my name is Katie Glazer, and I am the Electronic Resources Librarian at the University of Lynchburg's Knight-Capron Library. Today we are going to talk about how to use Google Scholar to create Bib-Chains in order to find additional relevant resources. So we'll start out with a citation of an article that I'm using on my paper or project. I'm going to go ahead and copy the article title to my clipboard, and then move to Google Scholar. Now, before we get started in Google Scholar, it's important to take one quick step. We're going to add the University of Lynchburg's library to your library links in the Google Scholar settings. In order to do this, you'll click on the menu button, click on Settings, go to Library Links, and search for the University of Lynchburg. Then we'll click the box, select Save, and we're ready to go. Now I'm going to paste my article title into the Google Scholar search box. And here you can see the article record that was found in Google Scholar, and you can see, since we've selected our library links for the University of Lynchburg, that we do have access to it. And this link would allow you to go to the article through the library website to avoid the paywall. But now what we want to do is to create a Bibchain, which is essentially a listing of articles that are connected by this citation. In order to do that, I'm going to click on this Cited By link. What follows is a list of articles which have cited this original parent article in their own bibliographies. Now, in order to filter my results a little bit more, I'm going to click the box to search within Citing Articles, and then use another keyword to narrow down the list a little bit further. And this process can be repeated as often as you like. When you find relevant articles, to click on the Cited By tool and see what other articles have cited that article. Anything that you find which has the University of Lynchburg link there can be accessed through the library. In order to do this, I will open the University of Lynchburg link in a new tab, which will open up that item in one search, where I can click to view full text availability. In this case, we can access that article through ProQuest. I hope that this video has been helpful. Today we looked at how to use Google Scholar and an existing citation to build Bib-Chains and find additional articles of interest. And as always, if you need any additional help from the library, just click on that chat bubble and we'll be there to help you. Thank you.